Keeping a level head, navigating life's challenges with calm. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings behind everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring a very useful expression, to keep a level head. Understanding this phrase will not only help you in conversations but also offer a valuable life skill. So, let's get started. To keep a level head means to remain calm and rational in stressful or difficult situations. It involves controlling your emotions and making thoughtful decisions, even when things don't go as planned. This phrase paints a picture of stability and balance, suggesting that a person is not easily tipped over by the chaos around them. Keeping a level head is crucial in many aspects of life. Whether you're facing a tight deadline, dealing with personal challenges, or finding yourself in an unexpected emergency, staying calm allows you to think clearly and act wisely. It's a quality admired in both personal and professional settings, as it leads to effective problem-solving and decision-making. Wondering how you can develop this admirable trait? Here are a few tips. 1. Practice mindfulness and meditation to enhance your emotional regulation. 2. Focus on the solution, not the problem, to maintain a positive outlook. 3. Take deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed, to calm your mind and body. 4. Prepare for stressful situations in advance, so you're not caught off guard. 5. Seek support from friends or mentors who can offer perspective and advice. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. During a heated debate, Sarah managed to keep a level head and presented her arguments logically, swaying the opinion of the group. When the project deadline was moved up unexpectedly, the team leader encouraged everyone to keep a level head and prioritize tasks efficiently. To keep a level head is more than just an English phrase. It's a guiding principle for navigating the ups and downs of life with grace and wisdom. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its meaning but also inspired you to cultivate calmness and rationality in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, staying calm is your superpower in the face of adversity. See you in our next video.